Hello everybody, jimmyispromo here, back again with another awesome video. And if at any point in time in this video you guys like what you see, make sure you guys hit on that like button, as well as don't forget to hit on that subscribe and hit on that bell for notifications so you get notified of any future videos. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do if your phone is frozen or if it's stuck in a black screen. Now, if you do not turn your phone off at least once a week, you might run into the situation because all the different RAM and the cache is just building up on your phone. You keep on constantly using your phone, but you're not turning it off, which it is very healthy to do at least once a week. Now, if you do run into a situation where you use an application and it freezes up, or if your phone looks as if it just does not turn on, maybe it's broken because it's stuck in a black screen, hopefully this right here will be able to fix that problem for you. Now, there's two different names of what this is called. The first one is called a soft reset, and then the other one is actually what I call it, which is the battery pull replication, because what it's doing is it's replicating a battery pull. It disconnects the power from the battery and then it reconnects it right on back as if you took the battery out and you replaced it back in. Now, if at any point in time, again, your phone is frozen or it's in the black screen, press and hold on the volume down and power. And you want to simultaneously press these two buttons for about 5 to 10 seconds until it turns right back on or it gets out of that frozen screen or whatever the situation you are in. You can even just do this little situation right here, which is volume down and power, to do this once a week or twice a week just to make sure that everything is all cleared out of the cache and the RAM. So I hope that you guys have liked this video. Make sure you guys give this thing a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit on subscribe. You can do that below the video, or you can click right over here on the very bottom left hand side if this tip or trick was able to help you out. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family, especially if they have Samsung Galaxy devices, because you never know when you're going to run into this situation, and this is just a simple, fast fix to make sure everything gets right back over to normal. Outside of that, I'll see you guys later.